I've made thousands of dollars dropshipping, but in this video, I want to start from scratch. I want to build a brand new store, find a winning products, and make some banging ad creatives. And I've decided to make a little challenge out of it. So if I should become profitable within 48 hours, I've decided to give away the entire store to one of you. And if I should fail to become profitable, I'll be giving away $500 to one of you. So make sure you watch the entire video so you can know on how to qualify. But now, we better get started. Okay guys, first let's plan out the next 48 hours so we don't get lost. The first thing that we'll have to do is find a winning product. After that, we'll build a store, and then later we have to find some clips of our product online so we can edit some nice ad creatives in CapCut. And we really gotta be quick at this, because if we don't launch our campaign at night, I definitely will fail this challenge. So guys, the time is ticking and I'll better get started and find a winning product. And because I want to save some time, I've decided to go with one of my most favorite product research methods, which is called AutoDS. I basically just went on AutoDS to their marketplace and then scrolled through there for some time. And I promise guys, if you do this for long enough, you'll definitely find some really good products. And then I also often go on their TikTok and Facebook ad spy tool to see which products are going viral right now. This can really save you so much time, and I've definitely found so many products on here that have made me thousands of dollars. So I would definitely recommend you to check out AutoDS. I'll put a link down in my description where you can get a 30-day free trial. So definitely go and check out AutoDS. So the product I found through all this research was this multifunctional vegetable shopper. Definitely an eye-catcher product, and I think if we target the right audience, this can sell like crazy. But now, after I found my product, it's definitely time to build my store. And for that, I'll just go on Shopify and start a 3-month trial for only $1. And if you want the same offer, you can go and check out the link in my description. Now, I basically just picked the Dawn theme and imported some pictures and GIFs of my product. I also wrote some product descriptions and imported a couple of reviews from my supplier, so my store would get some social credit. That's always a good one, guys. And then I basically just kept adding and removing different sections until everything was looking nice and tight. Now, I know this definitely is not one of the best stores you can find out there, but if you consider the time I only spent on making it, I think this absolutely is fantastic. And it's definitely a store that will sell. I can guarantee that. Alright guys, so let's not waste any more time, because it's already 6 o'clock and I really need to launch those soccer ad creatives tonight. So now it's time to go online and find some footage of the product. And I really recommend you guys to take some time for this step, because this will give you so much more freedom in the editing process, and that will in general just boost your ad creatives so much. Alright guys, now it's close to 10 p.m. right now, and I just quickly want to set up our advertising campaign. Now you could either go with TikTok or Meta ads for this, but I have the most experience with TikTok, that's why I just went with that. Because I really need our ads to get accepted through the night so they can start running tomorrow, otherwise I'm definitely gonna fail this challenge. So guys, we really gotta pray for this, right? So I basically just set up a really broad campaign because I want to let the algorithm do its job, and wrote some nice call to actions like flash sale or get yours now. And then I put in a daily budget of $350 and launched our campaign. But now it's definitely time for me to go to bed, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow, and let's hope for some sales when I wake up. Alright, good morning guys, what a great day to make some money. This morning when I woke up, the first thing I did was check my phone, and we actually already made our first free sales. And one of the orders even bought 2 vegetable shoppers. Amazing, right? Now I must say this already starts out really good, but let's see how this continues. I'll do some different work today and go to the gym, but I'll catch up with you guys if something big happens. Yeah, I'll see you later. Alright guys, I just came home from the gym and we're already at 16 sales, and most of them came in within the last 2 hours. So everything is picking up right now, and I'll match that by increasing the ad budget. Alright guys, it's officially 48 hours after I started the challenge, and I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer. So here's the part you've all been waiting for. In total, we made 59 sales, adding up to $1,158. Oh my god, guys. But of course, this is not all profit, so let's just quickly calculate how much we really made. Alright, so we had a product cost of around $180, and then we spent around $400 on ads. And that leaves us with a profit of around $580. I say that's pretty decent for 48 hours. And I'm not gonna lie you guys, I would really love to scale this store up, but I promised you guys in the beginning that if I should become profitable, I'll be giving it away to one of you, including the ad creatives I made. And I've also decided to throw in an additional winner who also gets $500, so 2 of you guys have the opportunity to win something. Now here's the winner from the last challenge. Congratulations, and I can guarantee you guys he's really happy with what he got. Now all you have to do in order to participate in the giveaway is sign up for a 30-day free trial with AutoDS and write a comment on your favorite part of this video. I'll then look at the sign up list with AutoDS and then find someone in the comment section and message him or her. The best of luck to all of you, and also don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.